Okay, then we just go to the next part, that is laws in the Boolean algebra. Now, this is one of the very important section because most of the time in the examination, you need to use these laws and you have to simplify the Boolean algebra. So there are set of laws, rules in the Boolean algebra. Now we want to learn these rules and the laws, and then you have to apply them to make the simplifications. Now, whenever you have very complex Boolean expressions, we want to simplify it. Now, this simplification can be done easily by using these laws. So for that one, we need to understand these laws in the Boolean algebra. So then we have several laws, and then you should know the name of the law and then what is the expression for that law also. Both you should know. And why are we doing this simplification? Remember, when you have very large complex Boolean expression, we want to simplify it. Now that once you simplify it, you get very simple Boolean expressions. So to make it simplification and to make it very smaller circuit, we need to do the simplification. Because if you just take it as it is, your circuit will be very complex and big one. To minimize that one or to make it very smaller, we can use this simplification using the laws in the Boolean algebra. So then here we discuss set of rules in the Boolean algebra, and then with that we can do the simplification, or you can make the Boolean expression very smaller so that your circuit, logic circuit, can be very small at the end. Now, these are the set of laws you need to apply when you're going to simplify. So some of the laws may not be difficult, you can easily remember. Some of them are related to the mathematics also. Now, the first law, what we call the idempotent law. So what is that one? If you have the Boolean value a and a plus a, which is equal to how much a? And a into a, it is equal to how much a? So a plus a is how much a into a how much? 0. Now these things actually you can prove. You can prove by using the truth table. Now here first one you can prove if you take the truth table with, now here we have only same a. Only a is there. So then you can write one parameter, one variable is a, another one also a. Then you want to find out what is a plus a in Boolean algebra. Then you have to find out what is a into a. So if you calculate that, you can find out final expressions for each. Then if you take the values for a, the possible values is a can be 0 and a can be 1. Those are the possible values, nothing else. The possible values for the a, 0 and 1. Then if you do the addition of them together, if you add them together, you can see 0 plus 0, how much? 0. 1 plus 1 is how much? 2, but binary you can't put, it is 1. And if you multiply 0 into 0 is 0. So 1 into 1 is how much? 1. 0, 1. Therefore, you can see this is 0, 1. That is same as which one? That is same as a. Therefore, a plus a is same as a. A into a is also same as a, because same answers are coming. So that way you can easily prove the idempotent law. Is that clear? Then the second law, what we call the identity law. So that is, I think, very obvious, no need to prove. A plus 0 is how much a? A multiplies 0, how much? 0. A plus 1, how much? 1. A into 1, how much? A. So then by just using this law, you can, I think easily you can remember the identity law. That is not difficult. Very obvious laws. That is a plus 0, how much a? A into 0 multiplication 0. A plus 1 how much? 1. A into 1 how much multiplication? A. So I think you can easily prove the laws again by taking the truth table. Now here, if you take the A is a 1 parameter, then we need to have the 0. And then we need to have the 1. Then we need to have the A plus 0, A into 0. So the A and the other one is 0. Other one is 1. You can have the A into 0. A into 1. Sorry. So the A possible values are 0 and 1. Then this value is 0, just 0. This one is 1. So then you can, first one is addition, A plus 0. You can add these two together. That is the addition here. Then 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Then you can see it is 0, 1. 0, 1 means A. So therefore, A plus 0 is same as 0, 1. That means A, this one. That is same as A. Second one, A into 0, multiply. 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 0, 0. Then you can see this one is how much? 0. This one is 0. Therefore, A into 0 is 0. Then third one, A plus 1. A is this one. We can add them together. These two columns should be added. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 means again 1. So the answer is 1. Therefore, A plus 1 is 1. Then A into 1 multiply. 0 into 1 is 0. And 1 into 1 is how much? 1. Therefore, it is same as 0, 1. That is same as A. Therefore, this one is same as A. So that is very simple rules, identity law. So then I have explained the idempotent law. That is A plus A is A into A is A. Identity law is A plus 0 is A into 0 is 0. A plus 1 is 1, A into 1 is A. Is that clear? The laws and the proof? Then there's another very important rule which is used most of the places, called as inverse law, or we call as a DeMorgans law. DeMorgans law. Sorry, inverse law or complement law. So what is the law? A plus A bar is 1 and A into A bar is 0. This is very important law. There are many places we need to use this one. A plus A bar how much? 1. A into A bar how much? 0. Then how do you prove it? Again, just like earlier, we can prove it. So how do you prove it? We need to have the A and the A bar and the addition and the multiplications. We need to have the A bar, A plus A bar, A into A bar. So here it is A, and this is you have to find the A bar. And A plus A bar you have to find here. A into A bar multiplication you have to find here. Then the values here is A can be 0 or A can be 1. Those are the values. Then the A bar will be how much? Not 0, 1, not 1 is 0. Those values. Then you can do the addition of the columns. Then these two columns can be added. When you add them together, 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Then you can see A plus A bar is 1. Therefore, this rule is correct. Then you can multiply A and A bar. These two columns you can multiply. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 0, 0. Answer 0, this one. That's a complement law. That is A plus A bar is 1. A into A bar is 0. This is, you need to remember, most of the places we need to use these laws to make the simplification. Is that clear? Okay. Okay, then we just come to the next one, the DeMorgans Law. This is another very important law. There are many places we need to use this law. This is we call as a DeMorgans Law, which is very easy to remember because in this one, pattern is there. What is a pattern? We have here, you can see here we have the A plus A bar. Sorry, A plus B with A bar, not operator. So in the DeMorgans Law, what happened? This addition changed to multiplication. And multiplication changed to addition. That's a one basic rule you should know in the rule. That is, what is the rule? In the rule, we have the addition. What happened to the addition? Addition will be equal to the multiplication. And you have the multiplication. Multiplication equals to which one? Addition. But there's a small change. There should be a bar. There should be bar. Here we have bar together. And here bar will be separated. Here also we have the bar together. And here bar should be separated. That's the rule. That's the rule. So then what is the rule? Addition changed to multiplication. Multiplication changed to addition. And the complete bar will be separated. Complete bar will be separated. Remember, this can be applied for not only 2, you can have the 3 parameters also. Then also this is true. This is correct. So this is we call as a DeMorgans Law. So what is a law? If there's addition, addition changes to multiplication. If there's a multiplication, multiplication changes to addition. And the other one is there should be a bar together. That bar should be separated. Bar should be separated. So that is we call as the DeMorgans Law. DeMorgans Law. This one. Is that clear? The DeMorgans Law? Okay, then now how do you prove the DeMorgans Law? Again, you can use the truth table to prove it. Now, what you can do is the DeMorgans Law will take the 2 columns A and B. Then this one change as 0, 1, 0, 1. This will be 2, 0, 2, 1. This is the pattern you get for the truth table. So then which will create 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. These are the possible inputs. Now in the DeMorgans Law, we need to have the bar. not operator. So therefore, from the column A, you can find the not A. The not A, 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0. From the column B, you can find the not B. There 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0. 0 is 1, 1 is 0. And then you can multiply them together. You can multiply A and B together. These two columns multiply together. Then you get 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. Then that is the AB multiplication. Then you can take the not operator. Not operator means these zeros will be 1. 1 will be 0. That's a not operator. And then what you can do is you can add these two columns together. These two can be added. When you add them together, 1 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. Then you can see, you get the answer. Then you can see this column answers and this column answers are same. That means this one is equal to the other one. That means the multiplication changed to addition, but the bar should be separated. Bar should be separated. This is we call as a DeMorgans law. Is it clear how to prove it? Is that clear? Okay, good. Now the next one is also prove that law. So you have the A and B columns. Likely we can calculate the A bar and B bar. Then you can add them together. These two you can add together. Then you get 0, 1, 1, 1. Then you can get the not operator. That is equal to 1, 0, 0. Then you can multiply these two together. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 0. That means this column and this column outputs are equal. That means these two are logically equal. So that way you can easily prove the DeMorgans law. Is that clear? Okay, good. Then we have few more laws. The other one is a double complement law. Double complement law means actually here there are two bars. That is when you have a character, let's say I have character A, which is same as the A, which is same as the A. If there are two bars, remember if there are two bars, what happened? They just two will be cancelled together. When there are two bars, what happened? Those will be cancelled together. Those will be cancelled together. So in that case, these two bars will be cancelled. It's just like minus into minus plus. Similarly, when there are two bars, it will be cancelled together. We call that as a double complement law or involution law. And then the other laws are very basics. Actually, we don't need to spend that much time. A into B is same as B into A plus B same as B plus A. That is called the commutative law. Here you can multiply B and C first and then A, or A and B first, then C. Addition, you can add A, B and C first, or A and B first, no matter, answers are coming. Associative law. So that commutative law and associative law also are very simple laws, which you can understand easily, I think. But there's a very important law here. This is used to many places to simplify the Boolean expression, which is very important. Distributive law. So is it clear up to this point? Any question before going to the distributive law? Okay, now this is very important law called as a distributive law. Distributive law. That is the first law, I think very obvious. It is a expand in the brackets. That is, you can multiply A and B and you can multiply A and C. Then you get this. But the second law is the one which is not mathematically correct, which is correct only in the Boolean algebra. We have A plus BC can be written as A plus B and A plus C, like this. This is one of the very important law. Most of the time in the exam paper, we need to simplify by using this law, the second one. Because this law is mathematically incorrect, which is true only in the Boolean algebra. So you can prove that law, the distributive law, you can prove like this. Yeah, we need to have the three inputs, A and B and C. There are three inputs. So this one you need to initially create the three inputs. When there are three inputs, you get 2 to the power 3, 8. 8 outcomes or 8 combinations. So when you're preparing the table, this you can change 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, and 0, 1. Next you can select 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1. Next one is 4, 0, 4, 1. This is how you create the initial inputs. First column just change 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Second column 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1. Third one 4, 0, 4, 1. That is how you select the input values here. Then after that, we need to have some of the expressions here. Now we want to show that these two are equal. In that case, we need to have the AB and AC. So we find the AB first, multiplication. AB multiplication. That means these two columns should be multiplied together. Then you get this one. Then 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. That is AB. Then we need to have the AC. That means these two columns should be multiplied together. When this is 0, this will be 0. That will be this part is 0. And then this is 1. Then this will be 0. Therefore 0. This is 1. And then this is 1 into 0, 0 and 1. That is AC. Then we need to do the addition of those two. These two columns should be added together. Once you add these two columns together, you can get this one, this column. That is 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, and 0 plus 0, 0. Here it is 1. Therefore, it is 1. And then 1 plus 0 also 1. 1 plus 1 is 1, this one. So that is the answer for this addition. Then we need to have the B plus C. B plus C is needed. So you have to have the B plus C. B and C should be added together. That means these two should be added together. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 means 1. Again, 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Like you can get the BC addition. And that should multiply the A. That means this column and the column A should be multiplied together. Then the column A, these are 0 means this will be 0. This will be 0. And next one, we need to multiply 0 with that. 0 with 1 is 0. The others are here, this is 1, 1, 1. That should multiply the A 1, 1, 1. Then you get 1, 1, 1 here. This one. Then you can see the values in these two columns. The values in this column And the values in this column, what happened, equal. That means these two are equal. These two are equal. So that is basically expansion. That is A into B, AB, A into C, AC. That is what we have here. Therefore, these two are equal. Similarly, the next one is we need to find out A plus BC. BC already we found this one. For that one, column A should be added. This should be added. A and BC must be added. Then you get this. Then we need to have A plus B and A plus C. That means these two columns should be multiplied with 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. Like you can see, you get the same columns here and there. You can see these two are equal. These two are equal means, remember these two are equal. These two are equal. So that is the final law that we called as distributive law. Is that clear? Is that okay? Okay, then now we discussed the laws. What are the laws we discussed? Idempotent law. What is that law? A plus A is A into A is A. Identity law. A plus 0 is A into 0 is 0, A plus 1 is 1, A into 1 is A. Inverse or complement law. A plus A bar is 1, A into A bar is 0. DeMorgans law. Addition change to multiplication, multiplication change to addition. And the larger bar should be separated. That is called the DeMorgans law. Then we discuss the double complement law. That is, if there are two bars, they will be cancelled together. That's called double complement law or involution law. Then commutative law is very obvious. A plus B same as B plus A into B same as B into A. That's the commutative law. Associative law is that when you have the multiplication, first you can multiply BC or you can multiply AB. Association law again, addition can be done BC first or AB first, no matter, answers are same. Now the distributive law also very simple, where you can have the expansion. A into B plus C can be written as AB multiplication plus AC. Now this is the law you need to remember most of the time. This one is A plus B and A plus C. That's the distributive law. So those are the laws you should know.